There's a lot of blood there. Got it?
She's right here. She's right over this log. Get your gun ready.
Can you video it? So different video for you guys. I'm gonna be actually vlogging. I never vlog, but if you guys like these videos, then I'll do more of them. So I'm here in Cherry Creek, New York, where I'm from, where I grew up. And I lived in this house from the age of 6 to 18. This is my mom's and stepdad's house. This trip is gonna be visiting family and going hunting with my dad who lives out in Salamanca. Day one of this trip, the mission is to find a gym to work out at, have dinner with my dad at 6. Now this isn't my real dad, this is my brother's dad, but I call him dad. We have a really close relationship. Super complicated family. But I'm gonna be staying up in Salamanca tomorrow because I'm gonna be hunting on Saturday. Tag along if you wanna see if I get a deer, meet some of my family, and all that good stuff.
Hi, boys. Hi.
Say hey to the YouTube.
Oh, stop it.
So I just made it to my old high school where I'm gonna work out today. And a lot of people do this. They're like, oh, I'm gonna go on vacation. I don't need to work out. I don't need to eat right. But I think that's the wrong idea to have, because in my book, working out and trying to eat semi-good only enhances your trip, because then you don't have in the back of your mind that you're not progressing in your fitness goals. One thing that I like to do on vacation is take advantage of different machines that I don't normally have at my home gym. So doing this will just make the workout a little bit more fun and work the muscles a little bit differently.
I'll give it a whirl, see what happens. All right, so you're getting...
Hey Dad, say something to the camera.
Oh, jeez. Here we go.
No, it's for YouTube.
Charlie. Charlie.
Chris and Mom.
Charlie.
She's a ham.
Oh. You say Uncle Dan? Say Uncle Dan. So day 2, and we slept in a little bit today, but the goal today is to do a little bit of work for my online training coaches and shoot the rifle later on and get a good workout in. Tomorrow is gonna be the hunt. Gosh, Eddie. He freaking loves it. Oh yeah, hop around like a bunny. Let's go, come on. Say something to the YouTube, Aaron. This is my brother here, the youngest. And there's Corey over here. Say what's up, Corey.
What's up?
Yeah, these are all Aaron's deers, huh?
I think so, yeah. It should be.
I got a little too close to the scope here. All right. Yeah, we got a pretty good. It's pretty good for what, 70, probably 70 yards or something?
Yeah.
Something like 70, 80 yards.
Some of you guys might know Corey from a video I did a long time ago where we did a chest workout. He's still been at it. He couldn't compete in his last show. Wait, why couldn't you compete?
Medication.
In the natural shows, you have to be careful about all your medications, and one of them follow through with the rules or whatever. So he couldn't compete, but he's still training and shit, and he's probably gonna compete in like springtime or something. 5:49. Alright, so I got in the stand before the sun rises. Now we sit. My dad likes to sit on opening day all day, and he's got several
just monster bucks that way, so you never know what you're gonna find opening day. Like I fucking know. It's definitely cold out here. Been out here for like 3 hours. Didn't even want to really record anything just because it means I gotta take my hands out of my pockets. My little brother just got one. I didn't even know he got one. I heard a shot maybe an hour ago that I thought was pretty close. And then he called me and he's like, hey, I just got one. I gutted it, dragged it down. The last time I went hunting, we used walkie-talkies to communicate. It's been a while. I wanted to say 6 years, but I think it's been a lot longer than 6 years. So yeah, me, my brother, my dad, we're all at different stands. And this is what this stand looks like. Oh, it's just four windows. Boom. So it's about 2 o'clock, and I've been in the stand for about 8 hours. And my dad called me about a half hour ago and said there was a doe with 2 little ones. So I just seen a small doe that I passed up. I had him in my crosshairs if I wanted to shoot him, but it was way too small. I'm hoping that there's a buck somewhere around here. So guys, it doesn't look like I'm gonna get anything. It's starting to get dark out, so probably got like 30 more minutes. But I did see some other doe, bigger ones that were sprinting through the woods. But yeah, like I said, it doesn't look like I'm gonna get anything. Still had fun, froze my ass off, but it just feels good to be outside and doing what I kind of grew up doing. I've been living in like cities for the past 6-7 years, so it feels good to be out here in the sticks, just freezing my ass off. So this kid was the only successful one. Aaron got a pretty nice 8-point. There we go. Not a bad buck there, buddy.
The biggest, not the smallest.
Make sure that carcass is opened up. Let the steam out. You have to cut a little more.
All right, so it's day 4 and going hunting today with 2 of my buddies from high school. Just really funny dudes. So hopefully we get something. We're gonna get some deer or what?
I hope so. Are you kidding me? You're with a great white hunter.
Look at this. Look at this. No shave November.
It's a bad day to be a buck deer.
Yeah. Dan Rockwell's deer virginity is gonna leave him today.
Dude, I shot 2 before. I got a 4-point. I got a doe.
How long ago?
Yeah.
Nice.
How long ago?
10 years ago.
Reborn virgin at 7.
Let's go kill ourselves some buck deer.
Let's do it.
I don't know how we're gonna do it in here, but we'll figure it out, I guess.
And walk. And if we see something, pull up and shoot.
Hopefully it works like that.
Dan, if you miss, don't worry, I'll shoot it. Call me Deadeye.
All right, so it looks like I might have got a doe. I don't know. We gotta check it out. Like I gotta edit that part out.
It's just winging bullets, but
No, we got tags.
You for sure, yeah. Either way, we're ethical hunters.
Yeah.
We're not just out here shooting shit. But your first shot was what? About good 100 yards away. Once you shot, it reared up. So we're gonna go down there and
There's
see if
no
you got
way,
yourself
yeah.
a
Hopefully-
New York
hopefully we got 'em.
whitetail. Stay
Bring
tuned.
meat back home, and
Thanks, boys.
there you go.
Yeah,
Let's go
absolutely.
see.
Let's go see what you got.
I
five.
scoped myself again. So if you guys, it's not bad. So we're following the blood trail. Oh, there's some more down there. More blood.
Huh?
There's a lot of blood there. Got it?
She's right here. She's right over this log. Get your gun ready. Alright, we just found her. Just walk ahead. She's laying right on the other side of that log. Get your gun up. Go ahead, walk up and poke her. Make sure she's... I think you got her, man. Big doe. Poke her, make sure she's not gonna move.
Yeah.
Grab her. Always make sure. Good job, man.
There you go, buddy.
There you go, Danny.
Fuck, that's a nice doe.
Oh yeah, piled her right up. Congratulations. Look at that, huh? Yeah, bring some meat back to AZ.
I shot her up here where these logs are. Followed the blood trail.
yards away when you shot it.
You guys probably can't see, but we're way the hell up there.
On the other side of the ravine there. Get her up in that little flat spot there. And yeah, that's a nice doe.
Right here, hop.
Yep, perfect.
So went out yesterday with my family, no luck. There was just a little doe that I had a shot on, but today my buddy Josh came out here with Josh and Hoppy. They spooked up some does for me, so I picked out what I thought was the best one and got him. It was about 400 yards. So. Nah,
Yeah, it was 1,000 yards.
It was like 100, 120
Yeah, but it
yards.
was about 120 from where you were standing.
Now it's time to gut her and
Bring back some backstraps back to AZ.
bring back some meal prep.
Tenderloins.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's best. That's the best meal prep you can hit. Lean,
right here.
no additives, all
Yeah.
natural, baby.
Yeah, exactly. And all you people, like you vegans, you guys can talk shit, but if you guys eat meat and talk shit about this, then you can order a burger and then you talk shit about people hunting. That doesn't make any sense because those animals were raised on a huge ass farm. This animal lived its whole entire life in the woods, and within 2 seconds, boom, it's dead. And you know, that's honestly, if you eat meat, that's the best way to kill your animals.
And it's lean. There's no additives. There's no red dye that they inject it to make it look fancy.
Yeah.
These deer live off, honestly, nuts, berries, grass,
Corn.
and all the best things. And like to the vegans that are vegan, I mean, that's what they base that's how they get their proteins is off of soy and you know, off of vegetables. That's all that deer eats. So best source
This is as
of.
organic as you can get.
That's right.
Right here.
Oh, good shot, man.
Yeah.
Congrats.
So yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Plan to come up here every year instead of coming up for Thanksgiving and stuff. It's all hectic. I'll just come up here like the week before, celebrate Thanksgiving, go out with my buddies, my family, and harvest a deer. So thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I'll see you guys next time.
Bloopers 19 deer season.
I'll see that during editing. Ooh, kill him. Yeah, so like, you guys see my nose? I think I might have scoped it, but pretty pumped. I shot like a doe, 120 yards away. Not sure how I want to do this, but it's whatever.